Hello everyone. Why do astronauts land in the sea? Have you ever wondered why astronauts land in the ocean or and not on land? The process of landing in water has a special name called splashdown. In this video, we will explore why space agencies prefer water landings and what makes them safer. Let us discuss what is splashdown. Splashdown is a process where a spacecraft lands in water, usually in the ocean. It was commonly used to do during the Apollo missions and is still used today by the space agencies like NASA and SpaceX. It is a process where a spacecraft lands in water is called splashdown. Why land in water? Water landings are preferred because the ocean provides a soft and natural cushion, reducing the impact on astronauts. Unlike land, water absorbs shock better and minimize the risk of injury or spacecraft damage. What is the role of the parachutes? Before touching down spacecraft, use parachutes to slow their descent. These parachutes deploy high altitudes, reducing the speed and ensure a safe landing in the ocean. Challenges of water landing. While water landings are safer, they also have challenges. Space agencies must deploy rescue teams to protect astronauts from the sea. They use helicopters and boats to bring them back safely. What about land landings? Some spacecraft like Russian Soyuz land on solid ground using shock absorbing technology, but this requires precise calculations to avoid crashes and injuries. So now you know why astronauts often land in the ocean. It's all about safety, impact absorptions, and smooth recovery. Next time you see a splashdown, you will understand the science behind it. Thank you for watching.